Hello everyone and welcome to one of our very first promotion portfolio training videos. Before we get started, I want to give a quick disclaimer. Please ignore any kid running feet, creaking floorboards, possible yells, cats, or birds chirping that you might hear in the background as I am completing these at home while we are working remotely. Anyway, this video is going to be on how to use the snipping tool in Microsoft Word. This is a fantastic feature within Word that becomes very useful in completing your promotion portfolio, and it will be something that you will most likely use even past this process as well and in your regular classes. So, with that said, let's go ahead and get started. One of the first things you're going to need to do when you are using the snipping tool is to actually find the app within Microsoft. So to find that, what you're going to do is come down here to the Microsoft Windows search section, click on it to open it, and then you can just start typing. So I'm going to type SN and I come up and you'll see here that I have the snipping tool has come up for the app. What I will do next is I'm going to come here and I'm just going to open up the app by clicking on it once. A new dialog box after you click the app will open up on your computer. In here, you're going to have a small little search engine, or I'm sorry, not search engine, but toolbar up here at the top. One is for new, one is for mode, and this is in relationship to the type of shape you want to take your pictures in. The traditional standard is the rectangular snip. Then delay. So say if you were wanting to take pictures of video or something like that, you might give yourself a delay to be able to take those videos. And then you can also go in and play with the options if you would like as well. But what we're going to do and what you will use the majority of the time is the actual new feature. So what you'll do is you're going to click new, and immediately you'll notice that this becomes dominant, but the background on your screen becomes very um, shaded out. It goes into the background. As you can see, I canceled out of the first new and I brought up another split screen document. You'll see here on the left side, it says you make me smile, and we have Snoopy and Woodstock here. And over here, we have a blank document. So again, these are bright, they're sharp, and they are crystal clear. I am then going to come over here to the snipping tool and I'm going to click new, and you'll see everything go shaded out into the background. Once I am now in here, I come down and you'll see that I have a plus sign now on my screen. So I come here and I am going to put my finger on my mouse on the left side and I am going to create a red box around it. And then what I do is I let go of my finger on the mouse and it automatically makes a copy. I will then come up, go to edit, click copy, and I can come over now to this screen. I'm gonna get rid of that. Come over to this screen and I can control V, which is paste, and my document will copy over. I can then cancel out of this, or I can click new for a new picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of drag that over here for a minute, open up this document and open it a little bigger. Now I've got a little bit of Scooby-Doo because, I like Scooby. I'm going to click new. I'm going to come over here with my left finger on the mouse. I'm going to push down. I will then drag my plus sign across the screen. I will put a red box around it. I will copy I will let go of my finger first. The image will show up there on the screen, and then come to edit, copy. I'm coming over to the other page, and I'm going to hit Control V for paste, and there we go with Scooby-Doo. Again, I'll show you one more time. I'm going to drag this over here for the moment. And just remember, through this whole process, you do have a friend in me no matter what. So again, I'm going to come back over here to the snipping tool. I'm going to click new. Everything kind of fades out, goes in the background. I'm going to take my plus sign, going to put it up here. I'm going to press my mouse with my left finger. I'm going to hold my left finger down again. I'm going to drag this red bar across the picture. And then I let go of my left finger and it puts it into the Snipping Tool document or app. I come back up. I go to edit. I go to copy. And I open up my second document and I will paste. So now I have two duplicate documents. Let me pull this over here. And we can see that in my documents, I have Woody here and I have Woody over here because I was able to copy and paste them. Oh, that's my snipping tool. Let me close that out. But I have two documents that are exactly the same. We have Snoopy. We have Scooby-Doo. And then we have Woody and Buzz. And remember, you have a friend in me during this whole entire process for completing your promotion portfolio this year. Anyway, that's it. I know, totally cheesy, but hey, what can I say? You gotta have fun somehow. Anyway, talk to you guys later. See you in another video. Bye bye.